In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur an image in Adobe InDesign. Whether you're designing a magazine, brochure, or any other visual project, learning how to manipulate images is a crucial skill. Blurring an image can help you emphasize other elements, create depth, or simply achieve a certain aesthetic effect. So let's dive into the process. First things first, you'll want to open your InDesign document. Ensure that your workspace is set up with the image you plan to work on. It's important to have everything organized in your document so that manipulation is straightforward and efficient. Next, you'll use the selection tool, which you can quickly access by pressing the V key on your keyboard. This tool allows you to click on the image you intend to blur. Make sure that the image is selected correctly, as this is the element we'll be working with throughout the tutorial. Now, you need to open the Effects panel. To do this, navigate to the top menu, click on Window, and then select Effects from the drop-down list. The Effects panel is where we'll apply the adjustments necessary to blur the image, providing a range of options for altering the visual style of your image. Once the Effects panel is open, look toward the bottom of the panel for the FX button. Click on this to bring up the different effect options available to you. This button is essential as it opens the door to a variety of effects that can transform the look and feel of your images. At this stage, you have a couple of options to achieve a blurring effect. You can reduce the opacity or apply feathering to the image. Reducing opacity can give the image a soft, see-through look, whereas feathering will blur the edges, creating a softer transition that can sometimes mimic a blur. Experiment with these settings to see which effect suits your design best. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution, so feel free to tweak the settings until you achieve your desired result. Once you're happy with how the image looks, click OK to apply these changes. Be sure to review your work and make any additional adjustments necessary to ensure that your design maintains its overall harmony and impact. The final step is saving or exporting your document once you're satisfied with your work. You'll do this by navigating to File in the top menu bar. From here, you can choose to either save your progress or export your project if it's ready for presentation or distribution. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to blur an image in Adobe InDesign, empowering you with even more control over your creative projects. Keep practicing these steps and you'll become even more proficient in no time. Thanks for joining today's tutorial, and happy designing.